In today's world of social media, Pinterest has emerged as a powerful platform for monetization, offering opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs alike. With over 450 million active users, Pinterest is not just a place for inspiration, it's a thriving marketplace where ideas can translate into income. This video will discuss the significance of Pinterest as a monetization tool, showcasing how its visual nature and user intent can be leveraged to build a profitable online presence. Viewers will learn the general steps to build a niche audience on Pinterest, which is important for effective monetization. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a dedicated following that is genuinely interested in your content. We'll discuss strategies for creating engaging pins that resonate with your audience, ensuring that your content stands out in a crowded feed. Additionally, we will highlight the importance of affiliate marketing and direct sales as key components in maximizing your income on Pinterest. By partnering with brands and promoting products that align with your niche, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your pins. Furthermore, we'll explore how to set up your own online shop to sell products directly to your audience, creating multiple streams of income. Join us as we uncover the secrets to effectively monetizing your Pinterest account and turning your passion into profit. Passion, determination, and discipline can eventually lead to a substantial income with this strategy. Building a niche audience. Identifying and attracting a specific audience on Pinterest is a must for successful monetization. The first step in this process is to research and define your target audience based on their interests and demographics. Start by clearly defining who they are. Identify key demographics like age, gender, location, and income level. Next, consider their interests, what topics, hobbies, or industries they engage with. This could range from fashion and home decor to fitness and tech. Additionally, think about their online behavior. What types of content do they save, share, or search for? By combining these factors, you can create a detailed profile of your ideal audience, which will help you tailor your content to meet their needs and attract their attention on Pinterest. Utilize Pinterest's analytics tools to gain the aforementioned insights into who might engage with your content. You may need to create a business account instead of a personal account to accomplish these tasks. Targeting and understanding your potential followers will guide your content creation and help you tailor your messaging to resonate with your audience. Once you have a defined target audience, the next strategy is to create boards that align with your niche. Curate content that speaks directly to the interests of your audience, whether it's home decor, fashion, or DIY projects. Use relevant keywords in your board titles and descriptions to improve discoverability. By consistently pinning high-quality content that reflects your niche, you'll attract followers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Engagement is another vital aspect of building a community on Pinterest. Take the time to respond to comments on your pins and engage with other users' content. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can also expand your reach and introduce you to new audiences. By fostering a sense of community and interaction, you'll not only attract followers but also encourage loyalty, making your Pinterest account a go-to resource for your niche. Creating engaging content. Producing visually appealing and shareable content is essential for standing out on Pinterest. One of the most effective techniques is to utilize high-quality images and graphics that align with your niche. Invest in good photography or graphic design tools to create eye-catching visuals that capture attention. Remember, Pinterest is a visual platform, so your images should not only be aesthetically pleasing, but also relevant to the interests of your target audience. Consistency in style and branding will help establish your identity and make your pins instantly recognizable. In addition to stunning visuals, incorporating keywords in your pin descriptions is crucial for enhancing discoverability. Use relevant keywords that your audience is likely to search for, ensuring they are naturally integrated into your descriptions. This practice will improve your chances of appearing in search results, driving more traffic to your pins. Don't forget to include a call to action, encouraging users to click through to your website or blog for more information. To keep your content fresh and engaging, experiment with different formats like infographics and videos. Infographics can effectively convey complex information in a visually appealing way, while videos can capture attention and provide dynamic content. By diversifying your content formats, you can cater to different preferences within your audience and increase the likelihood of shares. Ultimately, creating engaging content that resonates with your audience will not only enhance your visibility on Pinterest, but also encourage users to save and share your pins, amplifying your reach. Utilizing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate income through your Pinterest account, and effectively using affiliate links can significantly boost your earnings. The first step is to join affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche. For instance, programs like Amazon Associates offer a vast range of products that can cater to various interests. By selecting affiliate programs that align with your content, you can ensure that the products you promote resonate with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Once you're part of an affiliate program, the next step is to create pins that showcase the products you want to promote. Focus on designing visually appealing pins that highlight the product's features and benefits. Compelling descriptions are essential. They should not only describe the product, but also explain why it's valuable to your audience. Include your affiliate link in the pin description, making it easy for users to click through and make a purchase. Tracking the performance of your affiliate links is crucial for optimizing your future content strategies. Use analytics tools to monitor which pins are driving traffic and generating sales. This data will help you understand what resonates with your audience, allowing you to refine your approach and focus on promoting products that yield the best results. By continuously analyzing and adjusting your strategies, you can maximize your income potential through affiliate marketing on Pinterest, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Selling your own products through Pinterest can be a lucrative venture, and there are several effective methods to make this happen. The first step is to set up a Pinterest business account. This type of account gives you access to valuable shopping features, such as the ability to create shoppable pins and access analytics tools that can help you track your performance. By switching to a business account, you can also enhance your credibility and gain insights into your audience's behavior. Once your business account is set up, focus on creating pins that highlight your products. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions that showcase the unique features and benefits of what you're selling. It's essential to include clear calls to action in your pin descriptions, encouraging users to click through to your website or online store. Phrases like "shop now" or "discover more" can motivate potential customers to take the next step. Additionally, utilizing rich pins can significantly enhance your product listings on Pinterest. Rich pins automatically sync information from your website, providing additional product details directly on the platform. This includes pricing, availability, and product descriptions, making it easier for users to make informed purchasing decisions without leaving Pinterest. By combining these methods, you can effectively sell your products directly on Pinterest, turning your pins into powerful sales tools that drive traffic and increase conversions. Collaborating with brands for sponsored posts can be a lucrative way to monetize your Pinterest account, and there are effective strategies to make these partnerships successful. The first step is to build a strong portfolio that showcases your best content. Highlight your most engaging pins, successful campaigns, and any metrics that demonstrate your reach and engagement. A well-curated portfolio not only reflects your creativity, but also serves as a powerful tool to attract brands looking for influencers who can effectively promote their products. Once your portfolio is ready, start reaching out to companies that align with your niche. Look for brands that resonate with your audience and share similar values. Craft personalized pitches that explain why a partnership would be mutually beneficial. Be clear about your audience demographics, engagement rates, and how you plan to promote their products. This proactive approach can open doors to exciting collaboration opportunities. When you do secure a partnership, it's very important to disclose sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. This builds trust and credibility, ensuring that your followers understand the nature of the content they are engaging with. Use clear language such as sponsored or paid partnership in your pin descriptions. By being upfront about sponsored posts, you not only comply with legal requirements, but also foster a genuine connection with your audience. Leveraging sponsored content can enhance your income while providing valuable exposure for the brands you collaborate with. Tracking metrics is essential for refining your approach on Pinterest and maximizing your success. Utilizing Pinterest analytics allows you to monitor engagement levels and identify traffic sources effectively. By examining metrics such as impressions, saves, and clicks, you can gain valuable insights into how your content is performing. This data helps you understand what resonates with your audience and where your traffic is coming from, enabling you to make informed decisions about your content strategy. Once you have a clear understanding of your performance metrics, focus on identifying which types of content perform best. Are your infographics getting more saves than your product pins? Do video pins drive higher engagement than static images? By analyzing this information, you can adjust your strategy accordingly, prioritizing the content formats and topics that yield the best results. This targeted approach not only enhances your engagement, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, regularly reviewing and updating your boards is crucial for keeping your content relevant and engaging. Trends on Pinterest can shift quickly, so it's important to refresh your boards with new pins and remove any outdated content. This not only keeps your audience interested, but also signals to Pinterest's algorithm that your account is active and worth promoting. By consistently analyzing your performance and adjusting your strategy, you can ensure that your Pinterest account remains a valuable resource for your audience while driving traffic and income effectively. In this video, we've explored several key strategies for effectively monetizing your Pinterest account. We began by emphasizing the importance of building a niche audience. By defining your target audience and creating content that resonates with their interests, you can attract dedicated followers who are more likely to engage with your pins. Creating engaging content is equally vital. High-quality visuals and compelling descriptions can significantly enhance your visibility and shareability on the platform. We also discussed the potential of affiliate marketing as a way to generate income. By joining relevant affiliate programs and promoting products that align with your niche, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your pins. Additionally, we highlighted the benefits of selling your own products directly on Pinterest, utilizing shoppable pins and rich pins to streamline the purchasing process for your audience. We also discussed how to get sponsorships. Finally, we touched on the importance of analyzing your performance and adjusting your strategy based on metrics. Regularly reviewing your content and engagement levels will help you refine your approach and keep your boards fresh and relevant. As you implement these strategies, we encourage you to take action and explore the various monetization opportunities available on Pinterest. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, we can continue to grow and succeed in the exciting world of Pinterest marketing.